In case of the market gardening and horticulture, actually in this kind of the activity, the farmers or the people, those who are doing this kind of the activity, they are actually producing or cultivating very high value crops. This is a very special kind of the farming or very special kind of the activity where the farmers produces fruits, flowers, vegetables, such kind of the valuable crops only. And only the main motive of the production of this kind of the market gardening or the horticulture to sell the things in the market. Basically, these farmers are like they don't have the big size of the land like we had seen in the previous topic. They are having the small farms, they are having small plot of the land, but they are well connected with the urban areas. So this is the basic thing about this kind of the activity, highly money oriented activity. They are using the HYV seeds, they are using the proper way of the irrigation, they are using the fertilizers, insecticides, they are sometimes we have seen they are making the greenhouses also, like you will find in any case of the nurseries, you will find they are making the greenhouses by own themselves only. So this is the specialty of the horticulture or the market gardening. Now let's see the characteristics of market gardening. Now in case of the market gardening or the horticulture is a specialized in the cultivation of the high value crops. Like I told you, they are generally growing the crops which are very much valuable or which price is very high. The vegetable, fruits and flowers they are cultivating, and they are selling those things in the urban markets. Like you will find in our market also, from the nearby area only the flowers are coming. You will find in Siliguri every time in the morning the truck full of flowers are coming from the nearby areas only, because that kind of the flower garden we don't have in between Siliguri. As well as you will find the fruits are coming. All the fruits are not coming from other states and all. Some are the local products also, and even the vegetable is the local vegetable only it's coming. So this all things are the part of your market gardening and horticulture. Here the production is solely there to sell in the market. You will find in the morning, if you will go to the market area, you will find there is a flower market only. The huge amount of the people are coming in the very early morning, they are selling the product and they are going back by 7 or 8 a.m. only. Even the same thing is applicable for the vegetables as well as the fruits also. In this kind of the farming or in this kind of the market gardening, the farmers having very small piece of the land. They don't have the big areas for the farming. They are having the small farms that is having good transportation system with the urban areas where high income group actually located. Why they are only focusing on the urban areas? Because they know that the high income group people are like they are in the urban areas only, and this high income group only can able to buy the products or can able to buy this costly products. That's why always they are focusing on the good transportation system, like they can easily come to the urban centers and where the high income group of consumers are located. In case of the market gardening, it's a labor intensive industry because you need to take care of the like flowers, or you need to take care of the fruits as well as the vegetables. You have to give the manures and all. So it is not highly mechanized, it is labor intensive industry where laborers are working, as well as it is a capital intensive industry also, because huge amount of the money is required in this kind of the production. They are using the fertilizers, they are using the high yielding variety seeds, they are using the insecticides, pesticides, they are making the artificial like they are making the greenhouse, they are making the artificial heating and artificial heated region as well as the colder regions also. Suppose a particular thing, apple is generally a fruit of the colder regions only, but now you will find in the local regions also the farmers are producing the apple by making the temperature in that level only. Already we read in other classes, that in the previous classes, that in the very high altitude area where the temperature is very less and all, over there also the people are growing products by making the greenhouse, by trapping the sun rays. So these things are used in the market gardening and horticulture. That's why it is very much money intensive. This kind of the agriculture is highly developed especially in the developing countries, as well as it is developed in those areas where the population density is very high. Same thing nearby the industrial area or nearby the urban areas only, we can see the concentration of the market gardening and horticulture is there. The countries like the Europe, the northwestern Europe, as well as the United States of America, northeastern part, and the Mediterranean region are the region where this market gardening and horticulture is highly practiced. Now, in case of the Netherlands, maybe you all heard about the Netherlands. It's famous for its tulips. The tulips gardens of the Netherlands is one of the most beautiful place of the world. They are actually specializing on the growing of the flowers only. This is called the horticulture. Netherlands specializes in the growing flowers only, and horticultural crops, especially the tulip, which are flown to all the major cities of the Europe. Almost all the European cities having the tulip. In India also we are having the tulip garden in Kashmir. That is also in every year, only the month of the March and April the tulip gardens are open. They are also cultivating the tulips over there. So that is a part of the horticulture. The regions where the farmers are specialized only in vegetable, in those regions actually what happened, they always need to depend on the transportation system only. In those areas where they are growing the vegetables, they are actually uses the trucks to the movement of the product only. So thus this kind of the cultivation is known as truck farming. Truck farming is an important term. What is this truck farming? The meaning of the truck farming is in the regions where the vegetables are grown only. Now how the farmers will send the vegetables in the market, because they are located in the nearby only. So they are totally depend on the truck service. Truck is used to transport this kind of the vegetables, and that's why it is called the truck farming. And the flower cultivation is known as floriculture. Now the distance of the trucks of the farms from the market is governed by the distance that a truck can cover overnight. Hence the name is truck farming. The meaning of this sentence is the distance between your farm as well and the market. It is actually the distance that a truck can cover in a overnight. That means it is not so many a long distance place that if you will bring your vegetables, it will be totally spoiled and all. So they are telling about the distance is totally like that. It can be covered within one night only, and this process is called the truck farming process. From here the floriculture as well as the truck farming is a important term. In addition to the market gardening, a modern development in the industrial region of the Western Europe and the North America is the factory farming. Now in case of the livestock as well as the particularly the poultry as well as the cattle rearing is done in the small piece of the land, fed on the manufactured feed stuff and carefully supervised against the diseases. They said that in case of with this market gardening and horticulture also, sometimes they are keeping some small amount of the poultry and cattle for the rearing also, and they are giving them they are feeding them the stuff that is manufactured only, and they are supervising against the diseases also. Now this requires, as I said, a high amount of the capital investment in terms of the building machinery for various operation, veterinary services, as we did in the dairy farming also. One of the important feature of the poultry farming as well as the cattle rearing is the breeding section. They always depend on the scientific breeding. The types of the farming can be categorized according to the farming organizations. This part I will discuss later on. But basically in case of the market gardening is a specialized kind of the agricultural activity where the valuable fruits, flowers as well as the vegetables are grown to sell those things in the market. The farms are basically small, and it is totally depend on the good transportation system. Basically this is a very high money intensive industry. This is labor intensive industry also, because labors are required. They are using the modern technologies like the proper use of the irrigation, HYV6 fertilizers and all are required. And this kind of the agriculture is basically developed in the densely populated areas nearby the industrial or urban centers. Generally, the United States Mediterranean region as well as your European areas are famous for this market gardening and horticulture. Netherlands is famous for the floriculture, that means the cultivation of the flower. I said you in India also, in Jammu Kashmir, and maybe other region is maybe Uttarakhand where the tulips are found, but Netherlands is famous for the tulip. This farming, the vegetables farming, that is also called the truck farming, because the vegetables are transported via truck only within a overnight. Now with this market gardening, in addition, some few farmers, they are actually introducing the factory farming concept. Now what is this factory farming concept? A modern development in the industrial region of the Western Europe and the Northern America. They introduced the concept of the factory farming, where with this horticulture or market gardening, they are actually rearing the livestock, particularly the poultry or the cattle, and even they are actually doing these things in a stall or the pen, that means a very small piece of the area, and they feed the food, feed the stuff that is manufactured, and they carefully supervise them against the diseases, as well as they are going for the scientific breeding. That is also a very much costly process, because they need the shade, veterinary services and other kind of the thing. So this is all about the market gardening and the horticulture.